Shalom. I've been a student of the Israeli Supreme Court for more than half a century. I taught courses in comparative constitutional law featuring the opinions of the Israeli Supreme Court. The Israeli Supreme Court has been the gem, the jewel of judiciaries around the world. Justice Brennan of the United States Supreme Court once said that if and when terrorism comes to America, there's only one court that the American court should follow, and that is the Israeli Supreme Court. The Israeli Supreme Court has been the main argument Israel has been able to make to keep issues away from the International Criminal Court and other international courts. The Israeli Supreme Court, you can criticize particular decisions of any court, but the independence of the Israeli Supreme Court is essential not only to the preservation of Israeli democracy, but to Israel's attempt to present itself in an honest, truthful, and positive way to the world. It would be a terrible, terrible mistake for override to be permitted by the Knesset in Israel. It would be a terrible mistake to weaken the independence of the Supreme Court. It would be a terrible mistake for politicians to be able to dictate who is on the Supreme Court or how the Supreme Court decides cases. It is not broken. Do not fix it. It is a gem and a jewel and a center of Israeli democracy and Israeli strength.